Speculation about DJI's potential move into the mirrorless camera market has circulated for a while. However, recent developments now suggest that Huawei may also be involved, with emerging reports hinting at a possible collaboration between these two Chinese tech giants. If accurate, such a partnership could significantly disrupt the camera industry, presenting a formidable challenge to established players like Nikon, Canon, and Sony. The rumor initially surfaced on the Chinese social media platform Weibo before being picked up by Fast Technology. According to the post, Huawei and DJI are allegedly considering a joint effort to enter the DSLR and mirrorless camera segments. The logic behind this partnership is compelling. DJI excels in imaging technology, particularly in stabilization and intelligent shooting modes, while Huawei has been a leader in mobile photography, utilizing advanced computational imaging techniques. If they were to merge their expertise, the result could be a revolutionary camera system with exceptional image quality, ease of use, and groundbreaking features. From a technological perspective, DJI is already deeply immersed in high-end imaging. The company is a member of both the Micro Four Thirds (MFT) group and the L-Mount Alliance, two key standards in the camera industry. DJI has previously developed products with MFT sensors, like the Zenmuse X5R aerial camera, as well as full-frame sensors used in devices such as the DJI Ronin. This means DJI wouldn't be starting from scratch. It already possesses extensive experience in mirrorless camera technology. Unlike other Chinese brands that have struggled to enter the camera market, such as Yongnuo's unsuccessful YN450 mirrorless camera, DJI has spent years refining its expertise in sensor technology, optics, and image processing. Additionally, DJI's ownership of Hasselblad grants it access to invaluable insights in color science, image processing, and camera design. While a DJI-Huawei collaboration may not yield a medium-format camera under the Hasselblad brand, the influence of Hasselblad's expertise would likely be evident in the final product. Beyond sensor technology, DJI has showcased impressive innovation with its Osmo Pocket series. These compact cameras have been widely praised for their intuitive design, state-of-the-art stabilization, and ability to capture professional quality video with minimal effort. If DJI applies a similar design philosophy to a mirrorless camera, it could result in a product that is significantly more user-friendly than traditional models while incorporating advanced stabilization and computational photography features. Huawei's likely contribution to this potential collaboration would focus on computational photography and artificial intelligence. Before US trade restrictions, Huawei was renowned for its leadership in smartphone photography. The company's P and Mate series consistently outperformed competitors in low-light performance, zoom capabilities, and AI-driven enhancements. Huawei's expertise in software-based photography solutions could be key to developing a new breed of mirrorless cameras with superior image processing, automatic scene detection, and improved dynamic range. Traditional camera manufacturers have been slow to integrate computational photography, but a DJI-Huawei alliance could change that. Imagine a camera that automatically enhances images in real time, adjusts exposure intelligently, and seamlessly integrates with a mobile app for quick file transfers. This would mark a stark departure from the often cumbersome user interfaces of conventional cameras. Furthermore, Huawei's strength in AI and 5G technology could bring unique connectivity features to the camera market. A future DJI-Huawei camera might support real-time cloud storage, advanced remote shooting options, and AI-powered editing tools that can significantly enhance the post-production workflow. With AI-assisted autofocus, real-time noise reduction, and subject tracking capabilities, such a camera could outshine current offerings from traditional manufacturers. The ability to integrate Huawei's Harmony OS into the camera's software ecosystem could also make it more compatible with a range of smart devices and ensure seamless communication between the camera, smartphones, and cloud services. One of the biggest questions regarding this rumored collaboration is the type of camera DJI and Huawei would produce. Early reports suggest it would be a full-frame L-mount camera rather than a micro four-thirds system. Given the waning popularity of MFT cameras, this decision would make sense, as full-frame sensors provide superior image quality and broader lens compatibility. However, DJI's history with smaller sensors means that an MFT camera isn't entirely off the table. A smaller sensor could allow for a more compact design and enhanced in-body stabilization, aligning with DJI's strengths. Whether the camera ends up being full-frame or MFT, it will likely support a wide range of lenses from the outset, thanks to the L-mount Alliance's existing lineup. Beyond hardware, one of the strongest selling points of a DJI Huawei camera would be its user experience. DJI's Pocket series has already set a standard for intuitive, user-friendly interfaces. Features such as automatic wireless microphone pairing, high-speed Wi-Fi file transfers, and seamless app connectivity could give the camera a distinct advantage over competitors like Canon, Sony, and Nikon. If DJI can bring this level of simplicity to an interchangeable lens camera ILC, it could attract influencers, content creators, and first-time buyers who find traditional cameras intimidating. Despite the exciting prospects of a DJI Huawei camera, significant challenges could impede its success. The most pressing issue is the geopolitical climate. Both DJI and Huawei have faced trade restrictions from the US government, with Huawei being blacklisted in 2018 and DJI currently under scrutiny from Congress regarding its drone business. These restrictions could limit their ability to sell cameras in the US, one of the largest markets for photography equipment. Additionally, the camera industry is highly competitive, with dominant players such as Sony, Canon, and Nikon maintaining strong market positions. While DJI and Huawei bring technological advantages, penetrating the camera market and convincing professionals to switch brands is no small feat. Pricing, performance, and marketing strategies will be crucial factors in determining whether their potential camera can gain traction. If these rumors hold any truth, a DJI-Huawei collaboration could reshape the camera industry. Traditional manufacturers have lagged in implementing computational photography, enhanced connectivity, and user-friendly designs. By combining their strengths, DJI and Huawei could develop a camera that bridges the gap between traditional photography and modern smartphone imaging. The success of this venture would ultimately hinge on execution. If DJI and Huawei can create a camera with outstanding image quality, advanced stabilization, seamless connectivity, and an intuitive interface, they could disrupt the industry in a way few companies have before. However, until official confirmation arrives, this remains speculation.